Okay, you guys, fixing under eye issues, part 2, dark circles. How do you do it without creating more texture underneath the eyes? You can see she has a lot of texture going on there, and without creating kind of like a raccoon eye look. What makes dark under eyes so distracting is actually not the darkness, it's the light around the darkness. So the first thing I did was added bronzer to all the lighter areas around her face, even in the lighter pockets around her eyes. Then I'm going back in and I'm brightening up the darkest points around her eyes with an orange yellow and an orange. You can see here I'm just adding a little bit more bronzer in those lighter pockets, again around her face and around her eyes. And I even used her natural darkness as a beautiful eyeshadow and just enhanced it with a darker shade along the lash line. And then here again I'm just brightening up in the bag line. For reference, here's her before, all right? Again, pay attention to the contrast between the dark and the light around her face. Here is the after. Do you guys see how freaking beautiful this is? And the best part is there's zero texture. We didn't use concealer, we used color science, and we balanced the light and dark first. Look at how freaking gorgeous her skin looks, how smooth her under eyes look. Yes, she still has a little natural darkness there, but it is beautiful.